I've been a client of theirs now for, I want to say, a little over 20 years, and I couldn't be happier. My name is Michael, and I have 2 rental properties in the Seattle area that I've used SJA to handle. And how I got into it was just sheer luck, or how I got into working with them was just sheer luck. I had these 2 new rental properties, a condo and a mother-in-law apartment in my home, and I didn't know who to work with. And I talked to a buddy who was aware of and knew about SJA, reached out to them. They ticked all the boxes for me. The other agencies that I talked to, I felt like I was really just a number to them. But when I started working with SJA, I'll be honest, I was very nervous. This was my first time ever being a landlord, and I felt like I had to watch them like a hawk. And I was a pain in the butt and kind of second-guessed every move they made, and they handled me extremely well. And after about a year or 2, I came to realize that I really didn't need to do all that stressing. I could just wait for checks to show up in the bank and leave the rest to SJA, and it worked out fantastically. I've been a client of theirs now for, I want to say, a little over 20 years, and I couldn't be happier. The agent I work with, Millie, has been fantastic. Her acumen, her ability to find great tenants has been amazing. I have had those 2 rental properties for 20 years, and I have had 2 tenants that entire time in the condo and 2 tenants this entire time in the mother-in-law apartment, because they found great tenants for me right out of the gate in both cases. So I couldn't recommend them more highly. Very, very satisfied. And to be honest, this whole thing of being a landlord has changed my life for the better, and SJA was a big part of making that happen.